you first open your Pro800D wire and valve locator, check to make sure that all necessary items are included. The complete kit consists of an instruction manual, a receiving wand, a set of black and red connecting leads, a Pro H1 mono headset, a ground stake. The 8D batteries for the transmitter need to be connected before the locator can be used. To do this, unscrew the battery compartment cover screws and remove the cover. Inside, you will find battery wells that hold 8D batteries. Place the batteries in the holders. Make sure the correct polarity is maintained according to the markings on the case. Replace the cover and replace the screws. There are marked power on and low battery indicator LED lights on the transmitter. The low battery indicator LED will light when the battery power has been diminished. The light will illuminate at approximately 10 volts, and as the power gets weaker, the LED will continue to dim. A 9-volt battery is needed for the receiver. To install this battery, remove the battery compartment cover located on the back top portion of the Pro800D receiver. Install the 9-volt battery by connecting it to the battery boot inside the battery compartment. Don't yank or pull hard on the battery boot. Replace the battery cover. To test that the batteries have been installed correctly, turn each unit on. LEDs will light on both if the batteries have been connected correctly. If not, repeat the installation procedures. When the 9-volt battery in the receiver has reached a level of approximately 7 volts, the low battery LED will come on. There is also a power output indicator on the transmitter and a selector for normal and broadcast modes. In the next segment, we will show you how to ground the unit with the provided ground stake.